Hi guys, in this video we will be checking out my new 7-32 AWG wire stripper. This is where we adjust our stripping length range from 0.25 of an inch to 0.75 of an inch, and we just slide our red bracket back and forth and anywhere in between to adjust that length. This tool has fast compound wire stripping action, so it's suitable for electricians, household emergencies, plumbing, machinery, and car repair. Just remember you don't want to use it to cut steel material. This automatic wire stripper also has self-adjusting jaws to strip wire, so there's no need to manually readjust these stripping pliers. And then don't forget, right here we have a great handy built-in wire cutter. It works fine with thick, single, and multi-stranded conductors, PVC, and other insulation types.